My name is Siti Zureda binti Mak Zulkifli. My matriculation number B1123103550. Okay, this is FC. This is transformer. This is connecting rod. Measure capacitor CM. Kit set IMP. Connecting cup. Top electrode. Grounding switching. Floor pedestal. Breader copper. FC cable and is input cable. Another cable is picoscope cable.
My name is Fadrul Aizat Muhammad Hashim. So today I want to complete this construction of AC high voltage.
Okay, first of all, we connect breader copper at transformer. So next we connect input cable. So crocodile clip yellow at breader copper and another two at transformer. So okay, so next floor pedestal for base and then adding switching upward for pedestal. So next measuring capacitor 100 picofarad connected. So next top electrode connect and then connecting cup connecting properly and then we get connecting rod. So okay, so connecting properly and then set kit IMP AC is used and then connect breader copper at floor pedestal. Loose this screw and connect properly. So next, after settle connect at floor pedestal, so we connect braided copper at kick set IMP. So make sure connect properly. Okay. So the next, this is for T-junction and another one is adapter for connect at kit set IMP. Okay, then make sure the adapter is must at grounding side properly and then we connect the adapter with T-junction. So next we connect cable for kit set IMP to floor pedestal. Okay, so for the next is FC cable is connect to kit set IMP for AC. So we use 1, 2, 3, 4 port for AC only and DC is another port. So for the next, we connect picoscope cable at kit set IMP and then make sure it doesn't loose and properly. So that's all.
Okay, this is a complete connecting of AC high voltage. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Farid. My matric number is B11231031. So today I'm going to talk about the FC converter. Then we're going to talk about the transformer and then the circuit, the wiring of how the switching gear for the LED 2. So first of all, we have a 415 volt. 415 volt from the main, which and then the amp is around 20 ampere. To go straight to the is for the grounding to attach to the braided copper braided link, and then the blue one is either one. You can put it here or even the left or right. And then the neutral, the live, I mean the neutral will go either to one off because this is broken. So just put it here. Okay. So next we have a transformer type of thing. Because the output will go through the, we connect to the connecting rod. Connecting rod will connect to the casting.
Connecting cup.
The connecting cup will also connected to the top left rod. The top left rod, as you can see, this is the capacitor. So the major capacitor, the top, as you can see here, there is a sign, the symbol for the capacitor, right? So this is the head part. So this is the head part. So it must always be connected upside. And then the bottom side is the 100 PF. And then it connected to the
Floor pedestal.
floor pedestrian. Then after that we will connect to the switching, earning switching. So here
Grounding switch.
grounding switch. So of course all the components must be connected to all the components.
Component.
And then output from the capacitor, it will go through the kickstart. This kickstart, sorry. So the kickstart is SEK AC. It is an AC kickstart. So the output will go one to the FC converter and slot VM2. So it's on FC converter, VM1 and VM2 is especially for AC. So we use a kickstart for AC, and then you must use either one. So the other connector will go to the pickoff, which is inside. So the inside will connect the frequency converter either to start
To see the waveform.
to inject a power or to discharge. So I'm just gonna say that how it works. First of all, the pickoff will give a command to test the alarm. And then after that, the grounding, from the alarm, and then it will, if the FC converter is ready, then it will inject the power into the FC. So when it is injected, then the grounding switching rod will open for 7 seconds. If we don't do anything, the rod will discharge the power within the transformer.
Hi, my name is Munik Wana Farisa binti Muhammad B1123100807. To set up the operation system, we click the setup and then customer setup. We focus on the calibration part. So in the FC, we connect the VM2 for slot 4. So the calibration, we choose the slot 4 and then we change the value. We insert the value, refer to this manual. So we see the divider ratio is 196.1.1. So we put the value ratio here, and then we save the setting. We put the file name and then we save. After that, we and then second, we open the kit lab measure. Okay, for this section, we setting for CH active and then off the auto range. For range, we see the manual. Okay, 100 kV divided by 196.1.1. And then we got the value, so we select the range. Okay, done. First, open the kit application and perform the customer setup. During the setup, select channel 3 or channel 4 as both correspond to VM2 output, which is used for AC. After completing the setup, assign the required value to channel 4. Then navigate to the alarm section. In this section, all errors related to the operation will be displayed. Reset all existing errors first. Once the reset is complete, the power button will change to power on, indicating that the FC converter is ready for injection. When the power on button is pressed, the FC converter will begin the injection process. So at the start of the operation, there is a 7-second interval. During this time, the earning grounding switching rod will move away from the top electrode of the transformer capacitor. If no further action is taken within these 7 seconds, the earthing rod will automatically return to contact the top electrode. This will safely discharge all the voltage stored in the high voltage transformer. So, subsequently, the display interface is activated to observe and analyze the waveform generated during the injection process.